Hello folks, welcome to the Doer Downstream. Today we'll be camping with Santa Claus in freezing temperatures, visit Buddhist temples and get blessed with firewood, sightsee frozen waterfalls, explore unknown caves, and stop at a few free museums in upstate New York. We begin our journey in western Massachusetts. Hello, welcome to the Doer Downstream. Today we're in upstate New York. We're going to find a spot where we can bushcraft, build a fort out of the snow, and then we're going to camp out there tonight. We're going to hang up some Christmas lights, and we're going to get the holiday vibes going on. It's going to be freezing out tonight. We're going to be sleeping in our sleeping bags, but we got tons of wood, and we got 9 Duralogs. You think we'll be good tonight? Stay tuned. We arrived at a Buddhist temple near New York state line. We came to say some prayers and enjoy the beautiful scenery that this place has to offer. There are many similar temples like this throughout the Northeast. This is the prayer stone. There was a sticky note on the woodpile saying, "Welcome use." This must be Buddha's way of blessing us. Thank you. We took a few trips to load some firewood into my car. We set out deeper into New York to reach our campsite. The Christmas lights up. We got the holiday vibes going on. Oh, we gonna be chilling. What you guys think? Will this be enough wood to survive us the night? 9 Duralogs we got. This is a vibe. Look at us. Peace J living, bro. Gotta warm these toes up. Look at all the smoke coming off my pants. I gotta get closer. Christmas. Now it's stained blue. Let's go get more wood. Oh, that was what I wanted to avoid. I really hope I don't have a hole in my shoe from burning it earlier, but I think I melted it back together. Just stuck in a giant puddle. We created the path. It's a lot easier to walk in now, and the snow is getting harder. I made it through hard. Oh, I'm gonna carry that whole bar. I think it's ready to flip.
We chefed up some steak and peppers over the fire tonight.
We're cooking peppers.
Temperatures will be dropping to 12 degrees Fahrenheit tonight. Luckily, our setup is keeping us nice and warm.
It's dark out there.
It's getting late and we're getting tired. It's time to call it a night.
Last night I was so cozy I didn't want to get up. I just beat in this bottle. Right in my sleeping bag. Look at all the snow that melted off the tree now. We all just woke up. Miles' pillow got on fire. Yeah. Keys up pillow. R.I.P.
It's time to pack up camp and explore what the area has to offer.
We're cleaning up. All of our wood left over.
We're on our way to see a giant falls.
To get to this bridge, this thing, I don't know if video even does its justice on how big this thing is.
There's two good reasons why you should visit waterfalls in the winter. No tourists, and the water always flows at its best. We drove around the falls to try to get a better view. We made it to a free science museum in Utica, New York. The museum was mainly about energy and energy.
So look at the screen.
What's it doing?
These are the windows. So these are windows. Like
That's ancient.
Our next stop is an art museum, also free to the public.
Lobster, man. What the heck?
We crossed the hall to a different part of the museum. It brought us to a historic building with tons of cool displays.
It's the plaque.
We set back out onto the road.
Utica.
We're on our way to visit a cave and one last waterfall to end the trip.
Found some caves here. Looks like a giant piece of coral.
This is something cool to climb. It's sketchy.
I go in.
I don't know how to feel about caves, dog. Okay.
Oh, there's crystals in here.
Oh shit.
Oh no, that's just snow. I thought there was crystals forming in here. That would have been sick.
How far does this go? You gotta get down there, bro. Ooh. Yo, you keep going. Oh shit.
You can see light up there.
Oh shit, dude.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's Narnia.
Something about this place. I like it.
The water's flowing underneath the snow. It would make a lovely sight in the spring. And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed our winter holiday camping adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a subscribe, and stay tuned for more.